In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to control company updates on Glassdoor. Company updates 2026. If your Glassdoor inbox or alerts feel a little noisy, this walkthrough will help you fine-tune exactly which company updates you see. We'll start on the website and make a quick trip into your notification settings so you can choose what stays on and what turns off. By the end, you'll know where the control lives and how to adjust it in seconds. First, open your browser and go to glassdoor.com. You can use any modern browser. Just make sure you're on the official site so everything loads correctly. If you're not already signed in, log into your Glassdoor account. This part is quick. Enter your usual credentials or use your preferred sign-in method. Once you're in, you should see your profile avatar at the top right of the page, which confirms you're logged in. From the home page, click your profile icon in the top right corner. That opens a small menu with your personal options. In that drop-down, choose Notifications. This takes you straight to your notification preferences, where Glassdoor organizes alerts by category, so you can manage them without hunting through multiple pages. On the notifications page, look for the section labeled Companies. This is the area that controls updates from companies you're interested in. Click Companies to expand it and reveal the settings underneath. You'll see options tied to updates from the companies you follow, plus a path to discover more organizations if you want to broaden or narrow what you hear about. Now, enable or disable updates from companies you follow using the toggle you see there. Turning it on keeps you in the loop on things like posts and activity from those employers. Turning it off reduces noise so you only get the essentials elsewhere. If you want to discover new organizations before you decide, use the Explore Companies option to browse and follow more. You'll also see a companies you follow list, which makes it easy to confirm which employers are driving those updates. Adjusting the toggle here affects the notifications you receive from Glassdoor related to those followed companies, helping you strike the right balance between staying informed and staying focused. There's no save button needed. Your choices auto-save immediately, so as soon as you flip a switch, it's applied. That means you can leave the page whenever you're done, confident your preferences are set. That's it. You've just taken control of company updates on Glassdoor. If your needs change, come back to the same spot and tweak the settings in a few clicks. Thanks for watching and enjoy a cleaner, more personalized Glassdoor experience.